Today's Christmas Eve, and we're headed to the Walmart. My dad sent us some money for the baby and Kane and for Ruby for Christmas. So we got to, because he couldn't figure out how to buy the Christmas gifts and then have us pick it up at the store. So we're just going to, go pick the gifts that he sent me pictures of. Papi, how do you feel?
I feel cold.
Yeah? Well, happy Merry Christmas Eve.
Merry Christmas. It's only 2 degrees outside.
Let's see. Oh, yeah, it's cold.
Trucking through the snow.
Alvin says later we're going to put this bad boy in off-road and we're going to hit some snow hills. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
That might be fun, but I'm not going to lie. I'm probably scared about that. The roads look a little bit... I lied. They don't look better. Still windy. It's not as windy as last night was. Last night was ugly trying to get through out here. Baby boy's back there eating an apple and fries from last night. He's got his little Timberland boots, his snowsuit on, and his jacket, or his coat. I have this big old red coat on. So yeah, we'll go in here to this Walmart, see what we find. My dad said he wants to get him. He sent him. He wants me to get Emmett the little. It's like this fire rescue station, and something similar to what we got him. You know.
Yeah.
Bless you. We talk about it because he don't really know what it is yet. But something similar to that, and a Fast and Furious car. Then he said get Kane a dinosaur, and get Ruby a gift set. Feels like some perfume or makeup. She don't really wear makeup, so probably some perfume. You know, like the gift sets they be having, if they even got any left. But yeah, so we'll see you guys in a bit. And then we're gonna go and get this washed because last night they was closed.
I hope they use hot water.
Yeah, I would hope they do too, because then if they don't, then it would just freeze, right?
Yeah, at the truck stop.
Use hot water. I see all of this steam. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So we picked up the Santa suit from Party City. I went in because Papa was sleeping, so Papi stayed in the car with him, so he didn't have to get him off. And now we came to look at the flagpole that literally, with the frigid temperatures yesterday, snapped in half. Oh my god. And it literally, roll my window down. It fell and smashed this car. Like, and that's somebody's car.
You know they about to get paid. Cause that's it looked like an older model
Charger.
It's
an RT Charger.
It's an RT.
Yeah.
They about to get paid, buddy. They gonna be able to get a newer model.
Shit. They probably get a free one.
That shit, that's
And so we're sorry that happened to your vehicle, but remember Dodge gonna get y'all a new one. Merry Christmas.
yeah, he about to get Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Cause he about to get a Hellcat jailbreak.
Look how
work here.
look how thick that pole is. Like that.
Oh, you just played the same machine? Man, you see they smashed this
Yeah.
RT. Yeah, he about to get a new one.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah,
That's
because
what I was like, oh, good. And it's in the pickup area, so they fixed it. And then that was, but hey.
We went around to the other side so we could see. And then there's like a few cars, I guess like parts of the pole broke down. There's another part of the pole that smashed some cars down there. But the one
I wonder
here,
how it sound like if you was out here in this area, you know. What does that sound like?
look at the car right here, took front end damage and everything. Look at that.
Yeah, you see all the little antifreeze and all that stuff down there.